Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sultan Ahmad and welcome to the Sultan Gems Hunt channel. Today we have come across a very beautiful stone which is cut it on the both sides, but it is unpolished. It is Nephrite Jade from Afghanistan. It originates from Afghanistan, and in the video you can see the stones have a very good pattern of green, but as you can see it has a crack in it, and with the crack you can see it's black inclusion. Actually nephrite is a very compact stone, so but as you know the water is the strongest amongst all, so if a jade have a crack in it, the water will make its path in it and will create a black inclusion in it. So today we will cut it and try to get the unique green in it, and we will cut it so that we can get a nice pure green from it without any inclusion. So stay with us and let's go cut it, and let's see what we get in it. Thank you. And So we have cutted the stone, and as you can see, we get the clean stone out of it. This is the middle part. It has a very nice pattern in it, having green spots and a little bit chrome in it, but the dangerous watermark is on the upper side. So eventually the stone is good. So the crack is in the very little area, so it does not affect the stone. So this is the second slice. We have cut that on the crack, and this was the crack, so it's come out to be not so good, but it's, as you can see, it's just in the side. If I can show you this, this is, yes, as you can see, this is the crack side. So overall the stone has a very nice pattern in it, and it's a good slice. It will be about 200 grams of jade stone, and the other two I just cut it with the curiosity of what's inside. So this come out to be also good. As you can see, this turn out to be good stone. It has some chromium and watermarks in it, but eventually it's good, not bad. As you can see, this is the green part. Uh, it's unpolished, so in next video I will try to polish it. It has black spots and watermarks on the outside. As you can see, this is the sama. The black, if I can show you this, my camera is not doing well, so eventually this is a good stone. So today is a win-win situation.